Hey, so don't mind me. I just got out the shower and both of my two bad boys, which are Tristan and Matthew, they just fell asleep, so I'm trying to hurry up and record this video for y'all. But today I'm gonna use the Morphie 350 palette. I'm gonna use the orange shades in the Morphie 350 palette. I'm gonna use the orange shades, and I'm gonna use some of mostly these shades right here in the Jaclyn Hill palette. So starting off, I'm gonna get this fluffy blending brush, and oh, where's my mirror? Fluffy blending brush, and let me get into this shade right here. I lost that little card that had the names on it, so I don't know the names now. Using that shade, can y'all see me? I'm gonna put it right, you know, the usual, it's a transition shade, so I'm putting it right above my bone, like, I guess it's my crease, right? Just blending it all in there. Okay, the next shade I am getting into with the same brush is this. It reminds me of like a camel color. Camel, like the animal, not camo. And I'm doing the same thing with that shade. This brush, it's the Morphie, I think R39. Dip into this orangey shade right here. Ooh, that's a lot. And put it right in the crease. Get the blending brush, and I'm gonna get this cleaner blending brush and blend it in. So in this Morphie palette, I'm gonna get into this orange shade. I dusted off that other one, and I'm gonna put it right in the crease too. Using the Tarte Shape and a concealer brush. This is just the e.l.f. concealer brush. I think I put too much. I'm going to cut the crease. Ah! No! Okay, let's fix that. What I just did right here. Just get the blending brush that you were using and go lightly over it. So I'm going to use this yellow shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to use this brush to get it. And I'm gonna put it like halfway. I'm not gonna put it all over my lid, just halfway. Now I'm going to use this shade, and I'm going to blend it. I'm gonna put it right next to that. Now I'm going to use, probably dip into these two oranges right here from the Morphie palette and put it on the end with I'm going to use this tapered blending brush. I'm going to get into this orange right here again and do the same thing. Just go a little bit on top of it, just so it can like blend out. Using the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy, I'm going to just do half the line, not the whole way. So I don't have any wipies, so I'm just going to clean it up with this concealer brush. Using my Inglot 77 eyeliner gel and this ColourPop angled brush. This wing's gonna have to do it. I'm struggling doing this wing today because my products are not working with me. So y'all know I had to go and put on my The Works Boutique top. It's a swimsuit set, but I wear it as a top, y'all. I need y'all to start supporting local small businesses. So go online and use my code SLAVOR10. Also, you can use my code at the pop-up shop when they do the urban market. So to finish off my look, what do y'all think? I put on the Erica Lashes by Red Aspen, and I also put the Rimmel London eyeliner in deep blue on my waterline, and then I smoked out the bottom with this blue. So, and that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this. If y'all recreate this look, let me know or tag me and I will repost you on my IG stories. But thank you for now. I'll see y'all next time.